Students, here another example on the definition of a probability function I would like to solve here. Okay, let me again give the definition of a probability function first, then let me start the problem again. Okay, here the probability function for each value xi of a discrete random variable x, if x is a random variable and elements of are given by xi, then for each xi, if we are assigning one number p of xi such that p of xi must be greater or equal to 0 and sum of all the p of xi must be equal to 1. This is the probability function definition. Okay, using this definition I have to solve this problem now. Yes, right. Here a random variable x has p of x is equal to x to the 2 to the power minus x for x is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then show that p of x is a probability function. Those two conditions holds good I have to show here. Also find p of x as even number and p of x is divisible by 3 and p of x greater or equal to 5. First, here p of x is equal to 2 to the power minus x or 1 by 2 to the power x for x is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. If you are using x equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, 1 divided by something 2 to the power something is always greater than equal to 0. By here p of x I is equal to is greater than equal to 0 and for x is equal to 1, 2, 3, second one, summation p of xi is equal to summation of 1 divided by I equal to 1 to or xi equal to 1 to up to infinity 1 divided by 2 to the power x, which is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square 2 cube plus so on. Okay, then this is nothing but our geometric series. Okay, we have geometric series as ar cube, correct, ar cube plus and so on. If it is the geometric series, then sum of all the terms is given by sum of this series Sn is equal to a divided by 1 minus r, where r is the common term, a is the first factor. Like that, here a is 1 by 2 and common factor is also 1 by common factor 1 by is also 1 divided 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Summation of p of xi is equal to 1 we have proved here. Therefore, this is the probability function. Therefore, p of x is a probability function. Then using this, I will solve p of x is even, p of x as even number. Okay, to prove that one, x is even number here, that is summation of x is equal to 2, 4, 6 and so on up to infinity, and here p of x that is equal to summation x is equal to 2, 4, 6 and so on 1 divided by 2 raised to x, that is 1 by 2 raised to 2 plus 1 by 2 raised to 4 plus 1 by 2 raised to 6 plus and so on. This is again a geometric series with, which is geometric series with a is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 2 and r is equal to also 1 by 2 raised to 2. That is 1 by 2 raised to 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to 2. 1 divided by 4 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 4, LCM is 4, 4 divided by 3. Therefore, its answer is 1 by 3. Its probability is 1 by 3. Like that, divisible by second one, probability of x is divisible by 3, divisible by 3 is summation x is equal to 3, 6, 9 and so on, 1 by 2 raised to 6, sorry 2 raised to x, which is equal to 1 by 2 cube plus 1 by 2 raised to 6 plus 1 by 2 raised to 9 and so on, which is equal to 1 by 2 raised to cube divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to 3. That is equal to 1 by 8 into LCM is 8, 8 minus 8 divided by 7, reciprocal 8, it cancels, which is equal to 1 by 7. Last one, third one, that is P of x greater than or equal to 5 I have to calculate. For that, greater than or equal to 5 and 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 2 raised to 5, so 5 like that it goes on, but simplification will become very lengthy. That's why what I can do for this one is both the methods I will solve. Okay, first of all I can write it as 1 minus probability of x less than 5, which is equal to 1 minus probability of less than 5 is P of x is equal to 0, sorry 1, it is starting with 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2, probability of x is equal to 3, probability of x is equal to 4. That is 1 minus probability of 1 by 2 raised to 1 plus 1 by 2 raised to 2, 1 by 2 raised to 3 plus 1 by 2 raised to 4, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16. If you simplify this, we will get 1 minus 15 divided by 16, that is equal to 1 divided by 16 is the answer. Okay, or I can do it as 1 by 2 raised to 5 plus 1 by 2 raised to 6 plus 1 by 2 raised to 7 plus and so on. This is again a geometric series, that is 1 divided by 2 raised to 5 divided by 1 minus common factor is 1 by 2. 1 divided by 2 raised to 5 is 32. LCM is 2 by 1. LCM is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 again. 16. Which is also 1 by 16. Any method you can follow. Okay. Thank you, friends. Another problems we are solving on the definition of probability function here. If x is a discrete random variable having P of x defined as P of x is equal to x divided by 15 for 1 between 1 and 5 and for 0 for x greater than 5. Then show that P of x is a probability function. Then find P of probability of x equal to 1 or 2 and probability lying between 1 by 2 and 9 by 2. Here probability distribution is given by, according to the definition, it is starting with 1. Therefore, if it is x equal to 1 is there, then x equal to 1 I have to substitute here. The function is lying between this. That is 1 by 15. Then for x equal to 2, x equal to 2, this is 2 by 15. For x equal to 3, 3 by 15. For x equal to 4, it is a 4 by 15. For x equal to 5, also 5 by 15. And x equal to 6, it will become 0. 7, it is 0, and so on. Okay, next onwards it will become 0. This is a probability function I have to show. Okay, here for all x greater than or equal to 1, p of x is always greater than or equal to 0. 0 is also there, equal to also may be greater than or equal to 0. And sum of p of xi must be equal to, the summation of all these things, 1 by 15, 2 by 15, 3 by 15, plus 4 by 15, plus 5 by 15, which is equal to 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 15 divided by 15, which is equal to 1. Therefore, both the conditions for probability function holds good. Therefore, I can say p of x is a probability function, I can say. Now, using this, I have to find the remaining terms. P of x equal to 1 or 2, that is p of or I am using here. Therefore, p of x is equal to 1 plus, if I am using, if it's given and, then you have to multiply them. P of x is equal to 2. P of x equal to 1, it is 1 by 15. X equal to is 2 by 15, which is equal to 3 by 15 or 1 by 5. Like that, second one also I have to find out probability of 1 by 2 less than x less than or less than 9 by 2. Okay, here probability of x greater than half will start with a 1. Therefore, probability of 1 plus 9 by 2. Okay, let me write once again here. Probability of 0.5 less than x less than 9 by 2 means 4.5. Correct? Therefore, probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus 3 plus probability of 4 also will include, because x is less than 4. But I cannot include probability of 5 because it is less than that. This is equal to 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5, 20. That is equal to 3 6 10. 10 divided by 3 15 it is, which is equal to 2 by 3. Like this. Okay, thank you.